Today's video is on painting a mandala. I'm going to paint in acrylic a mandala. This is a copy of the mandala, which is on 90-pound paper, and I'm going to use acrylic paint to paint it. And if you would like your very own copy of this to paint or color or draw on yourself, please look for the link in the information below. This is what we're gonna end up with here, and you can get this mat and frame on Amazon. I did use the jelly plate to print the mat in color, and I think it's so much better than the white would have been. I'll leave the information for this below as well, along with all of the pigments that I used. You will not hear me speaking because through the magic of video editing, we're taking about a 45-minute process down to about 4 minutes. So I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know. Drop me a comment if you'd like to see how I did print the mat on the jelly plate. And let's get started.